Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm here to show you guys the ABC concept. This is the Vulkan model. So this is going to be rated as a coal burning hydro stove. So I've had quite a few demands for the kind of these contemporary hydro models. A lot of you are probably familiar with Walltherm. So Walltherm is no longer available in the United States because of EPA regulation changes. Now, coal is still an EPA exempt category. This is going to be a coal hydro model. So typically I would recommend for you guys who were looking for the Walltherms, I would tell you I have hydro cook stoves which have the baking oven. Some people don't necessarily want to have that baking oven because they want to put this in the living room. So right now this is going to be probably my closest direct replacement for a Walltherm stove. So this is going to be shown in the stainless steel or the inox finish. We do have other painted colors available if the stainless is a little too contemporary. So again, this is going to be rated and sold as a coal model, which is an EPA exempt category. However, in Europe, it is designed to burn wood as well. So if you choose to burn wood in your coal stove, there's no problem with that. You will notice that the door has a nice big glass viewing area. Inside, you will notice it is fully gasketed. The gasketing is going to be on the stove body itself, not on the door. Your ash pan is going to be located directly below the firebox. On the interior, because this is the hydro model, it's going to have a plate steel finish because the water jacket fully surrounds the firebox. On the bottom, you do have the cast iron grate so you can burn coal. Your air damper control is actually going to be located right here. It modulates on a level of 0 through 9. So basically you set this and then your water temperature will go from there. So this one is going to put out 24 total kilowatts. Most of that is actually going to go directly into the water, and then you get a small amount of radiant heat, convection heat off the stove itself. Now the convection heat is going to radiate through the slots on the top and on the sides of the stove. So probably maybe about 10,000 BTUs is how much actual convection heat you'll get into the room. And then the remaining about 40,000 BTUs will go directly into the water. So again, hydro, you could split this off, use a water exchanger and use it for domestic hot water as well. So I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you do like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. You can do that by clicking the logo in the corner of the video. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.